Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make and sell digital products, aka printables, in the gratitude market online. Also, if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to remove the barrier to entry so that anybody without tech or design skills can do this. I'm also going to show you how to do it the free versus the paid way. And I'm going to give you a variety of niches, multi-niche giveaway, okay? And like always, if you like my content and you want to support the channel, all you need to do, and I highly appreciate it, is like the video and subscribe to get more tutorials just like this one. Okay, so let's jump into my niche interest level tool, okay, within Crispy Prints. Now, you don't need Crispy Prints to do this. If you want to check out the trends or what people are interested in right now, just use Google Trends. You can go to Google Trends right here. Let me show you Google Trends right here. The difference between Google Trends and the niche level tool within Crispy Prints is the Crispy Prints niche level tool pulls from buyer search engines. You know, search engines on e-com sites. It doesn't pull information out of just a general search pool, right? Where Google caters to the world and in all facets, right? People who want to be entertained, people who want to buy something, people who want to learn something, yada yada yada. Where my tool simply pulls information from e-com sites. Okay, really important to understand. Okay, so like I mentioned here, we're going to be talking about the gratitude market. Okay, so here within Crispy Prints, I have an empowerment sheets generator. I have the words self-esteem, daily planner, gratitude, habit tracker. Okay, as you can see here in the niche level tool, it says self-esteem journal. It has an AMZ score of 82. That's pretty high. And you can see here, you can categorize or separate it these different niches within the self-esteem market by the types of people who are looking for these products. We have self-esteem journals for women, teen girls, kids, teens, men, black women, just journaling. So if we drill down a little bit more, we can take the word, for example, daily planner, and drop that in here as well. And again, please, by all means, follow along with Google Trends if you want. Also, if you're using my Crispy Prints niche interest level tool, make sure that you use lowercase letters, okay? Daily planner, let's put in daily planner, okay? And we have 63, a score of 63. Bloom daily planner notepad, daily planner undated, daily planner 2022 to 2023 page a day. Okay, that's another niche we can go after. Let's try another one. Let's try habit tracker. Okay, habit tracker. Drop that in here right now. Okay, right there. And let's see what we get out of this. Okay, and we have a slew of different keywords. Maybe we can drill down even more. Okay, habit tracker journal. Let's try that. Okay, let's drill down more. And it's still habit tracker journal for men, for teens, for women, for kids, all kinds of very niche down targets we can go after. Let's try habit tracker for women. Women right here. Nice long tail keyword. Let's drop that in there and click search. And we have just one result. Okay. So this is very close, a very specific niche we can go after. Let's try gratitude. Let's try gratitude. Here's another one. Let's try gratitude. Let's go with gratitude journal or gratitude diary is a good one. Okay. Okay, we have several ones here for kids, for women. Let's try journal. Oh, I misspelled that one. And yeah, we got a score of 45. Gratitude for journal for men. Again, very specific on the types of audiences we can go after. Now we want to put together this type of digital product so we can sell it on sites like Etsy, on our own sites using WooCommerce or Shopify, or well, that's about it actually. Okay, so what you can do if you want, what I use is my Crispy Prints tool. As you can see here, under Empowerment Sheets, if I click on the menu and I scroll down, I have a ton of different bundles. If I click on the Empowerment bundle is going to take me to this page where I can select some or all of the different empowerment sheets. And all I have to do is add my background image and the main header color, and I just click Create Bundle. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, how do I create a background? Well, that's very simple. I use Canva, okay? And with Canva, you just add an image here. You need to upload. I recommend you upload your own images and add them in here, okay? So I got this image. I pulled this image from Pixabay. Now, if you want to source images for your digital products, I recommend Pixabay. Just make sure that whatever image you source was created, or not created, excuse me, but published before January 2019. Why? Canva bought Pixabay sometime after January 2019. So there's a new terms of service. So it creates kind of a gray area now. But if you use an image or a video or whatever from Pixabay that was posted before January 2019, you're in the clear. Okay, so let me show you an example. Let's put in floral here. Let's put in floral under images. And let's say this image right here. Let's scroll down. Okay, very good. It was published, as you can see here. Let me blow this up for you. It was published on October 27th, 2016. This is perfectly okay to use. And as you can see up here in the licensing rights here, Pixabay license, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Very important to understand. Okay, so there you go. So all you gotta do is download this and upload it to Canva. Now Canva is free to use, okay? There is a paid version. I just got the paid version recently, like last week. But for years and years and years, I've been using just the free version. Okay, anyways, upload it here and then add it to the type of dimension or template size you want. So for example, Crispy Prints, I require a 1063 by 1375 pixel dimension size, okay? And I also recommend, if you can, to use a vector graphic, okay? So if you go to downloads here, you have the option PNG, JPEG. PNG is pretty good, but recently I've been using a vector graphic. That means it can scale without distorting quality, okay? And of course, Crispy Prints allows for vector graphics, which is really cool, okay? And also you can adjust with your header. What I recommend is you pull an actual color from your background and use it as your header color, okay? What I like to do is just click on the background, click on this color square here, and here you see that Canva will pull the colors from your background, get the darkest one you have. This is this type of what red or orange, okay? Grab that, copy that, then return back so that the background returns to what it was. And then you just go into this color palette here. Just click on it like this and add your color and then click select, okay? And then once you select the types of gratitude journals or empowerment sheets that you want, you click create bundle, and within 4 minutes, you will have a printable bundle like this, okay? This allows you to go after different types of keywords, because you can go after self-esteem tracker, you can go after daily planner, you can go after habit tracker, you can go after gratitude journal, and there you go, okay? Very simple, very easy to use, okay? So if you want to create your own types of trackers or printable products, you can just use Canva outright. The thing with Canva is you need a lot of time to actually, put down the different designs and whatnot. With just adding a background is pretty simple. But if you wanted to, for example, turn this into your digital product, You're gonna have to click on the text button. You're gonna click on the text. Make sure you're using an open source font, really important. You don't wanna sell your digital product with font that's not commercially viable for you, okay, really important. So let's put in the word gratitude, slide it on up like that, up here. I'm just gonna give you some examples here. I'm gonna duplicate that here, right here. And then, you can add in notes, for example. People want to write in their notes. You want to shrink that down. You might want to put in a box. So let's put in, go to elements, put in box like that. Maybe shrink it down like that. Put in lines. Now I'm just doing this quickly, so you can of course take your time and make it more to your liking. Stretch that out. So I just put in line and elements, and I can actually create a journal type of product. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. Duplicate that. That. Bring it down. You might want to group them together so they move together as one unit, okay? And you put in the other elements, okay? You want it to look like, you want it to make it look or resemble something like this. Let me show you my gratitude. That's habit tracker. Here's my gratitude weekend or weekday journal, okay? That's what you want to make it look like. You put in a date, put in given spaces where they can be thankful for something along those lines, okay? Well, there you go. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please ask them down below. I'll be happy to reply. Again, you need to create products based on what people want, okay? And there's another thing that I want to share with you. There's a reason why I went after, I'm using this type of background, okay? Another thing you want to do is use Etsy to find out how other people's products look like, what they resemble. So my flower focused type of printable here is based off of what's already selling on Etsy, right? So you can see here, these people are actively selling this type of product right now. And it has a very light, not too strong design, okay? That's why I went with my floral look, okay? So that's what you want to do. It's very simple, and I've been profiting online this way for a number of years now. I hope you can do the same. If you're interested in my Crispy Prints software, make sure you just put in Crispy Prints, and you can easily take it and get access to my methods and some of my templates and some of my software right here for free. Okay? So see you inside. Be good, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.